皆さん、こんにちは。ジャパニージーです。We would like to introduce a sensational, easy, and effective way of learning Japanese at Japaneasy today. There are 3 new ideas at Japaneasy now. Number 1. Flipped teaching. What is flipped teaching? Flipped teaching is students watch lecture videos as homework before the classes, which enables meaningful discussions, interaction, and activities during face-to-face sessions, which means traditionally you listen to a lecture and practice in the classrooms, then attempt homework at home, while flipped teaching is you watch the lecture videos before your classes, then in the classroom you can focus on more practice and activities, which speed you up your learning. The length of each video is about 5 minutes, so you can watch them without any pressure. You watch it before each class, as well as use it to review what you learned after class. Why did we start flipped teaching at Japaneasy? It is easier to follow the classes, allowing the greater opportunity to focus on the practice and activities with sensei during lessons. Also, it is easier to review, catch up with the videos. You can learn at your own pace. It is also encourages you to continue to higher levels. Any questions? Please feel free to contact us. Number 2. Why set clear goal for each lesson? By defining the goal, you have a much clearer idea of what you can achieve by the end of the lesson. That means you can practice with a clear mind, which leads to more effective learning and encourages your learning. These are examples. You think you feel energized to learn if you can visualize these goals at the beginning of the lesson. Yes, that's our plan. Any questions? Again, feel free to contact us. Last one. It's just introducing new and innovative plans we have. We have very exciting plans starting in 2021. New group course for focusing on communication, and lessons and events using virtual reality. Stay tuned! We are very proud to announce 3 new ideas at Japaneasy today. Thank you for watching. ありがとう See you at Japaneasy. 皆さん、ジャパニージーで一緒に楽しく日本語を勉強しましょう